Good morning, children. Our today's moral science story is Speak Up, Speak Out, being assertive. Nitya and her three close friends, the gang, as she liked to call them, were hard working in the classroom and tough on the playground. One day, the gang was giving a hard time to the new girl, Jui, who was shy. Bobby asked her to play kabaddi, knowing very well that Jui did not like rough games. Kavita and Shruti mispronounced Jui's name on purpose and laughed. Nitya did not laugh. She saw how bad Jui felt, and it made her feel bad too. She looked away. Mrs. Sinha, their science teacher, came along just then. What's going on? Is there a problem, Jui? She asked Jui. Jui answered, No, ma'am, I'm fine. Mrs. Sinha looked at the unhappy girl walking away. Children take time to adjust to a new school, the teacher thought. But Nitya knew Jui was just trying to be brave. Why did Jui say she was fine? Is it good for her to try to be brave? Find the answer, children. Let's see the next story. So you want to be the good girl, Nitya? You won't tease anybody? Nitya's friend told her. Come on, it's just harmless fun. No, Jui feels bad. I don't like to see her so unhappy. We must make her feel welcome, my dear friends. Kavita acted shocked. Nitya, you sound like my mother. Should we call you auntie? Nitya walked away, upset that her friends had turned on her. Why could not they understand her? Or was something wrong with her? Was she too soft? To find the answers to these painful questions, Nitya hurried home. She told her mother the whole story. You did the right thing, Mama answered Nitya. Teasing is okay only if it does not make anyone feel bad. You are not so soft. You are good-hearted. And I am proud of you. Nitya felt better and smiled. But her mother had something more to say. You did not tease Jui. But why did you keep quiet, my dear bacha? What did Nitya do right? What else could she have done? Let's see. Actually, Nitya had thought keeping quiet was all she could do. She wanted her friends to like her. She could not go against them. Could she? It was very hard to think about this. What should she do if her friends teased Jui again? The answer came by itself at recess the next day. The four friends were playing when Jui came along. We are playing, Jui. You had better sit over there. Maybe you should keep her company, Nitya. Yes, Softy, stay with her in case she cries. Good idea, Nitya answered. I like Jui and want to be her friend. We will play together. Anyway, what's so tough about making people feel bad? Nitya's friends were left open-mouthed, but Nitya surprised herself even more. Is Nitya right to go against her friends? Why is she doing it? Actually, Nitya's friend had not expected her to speak up. They were surprised and even a bit angry. I don't like the way you tease Jui when she is feeling so bad. You should not tease if it hurts someone, Nitya answered to her friends. What if you went to a new school and the girls there teased you? Won't you feel bad? Jui said. This time, Jui found her voice. They started to argue, but Nitya had not finished yet. Anyway, I'm not going to tease Jui. We can still be friends. But I'm not going to do something just to please you. Nitya felt like she had made a speech, but she felt better for having said it. She wanted to keep her friends, but she wanted to do the right things even more. So, here I would like to add children just speak up about the wrong things. Here, the back exercises are given in your book. Kindly do it and enjoy and learn something good from the story. Till then, take care. Bye bye.